let's make my homemade apple cider that's gonna make your place smell just as good as it tastes. And all of the ingredients going into this drink are immune boosting, so if you are coming down with a cold or just want to heat up with a warming drink, this is definitely the drink to make. So let's get into it. Here are all the ingredients we will be using for today. We have 2 apples, a couple cinnamon sticks, some ginger, 3 cloves, and a half an orange. We are going to put all of these ingredients into a pot, fill with water, and let simmer on the stove for 20 minutes to an hour, depending on how concentrated you want your apple cider to be. I let mine go for an hour to really let those flavors develop in our cider. This recipe makes about 3 cups of concentrate. You can always add a little bit of water to water it down, but if you are planning to share with friends and family, I definitely recommend doubling the recipe. So once the apples are nice and translucent, we are going to remove the cinnamon sticks and cloves, and then mash up all of the rest of the ingredients left in the pot. Then we strain the mixture. You can choose how fine of a strainer you want to use depending on how much pulp you want in your drink. And you can use the leftover apples in other baking like crepes or muffins. But there you have it, your own homemade apple cider. Serve it with a little bit of hot water, some honey, and it will be the most delicious, warming thing for the holiday season. It warms you up from the inside out, which is great for these colder months. Let me know if you tried this recipe and enjoyed it. I would love to hear about it. Have a wonderful day, guys.